Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage sales funnels with ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Funnels tab in the main menu. To create a new funnel, click on the Build New Funnel button. Choose the goal for your funnel, such as generating leads or selling products. Select a template that matches your funnel's purpose. Give your funnel a descriptive name to help identify it later. Click Create Funnel to proceed to the editor. In the editor, you'll see the pre-selected pages based on your template. Begin editing the first page by clicking on it. Customize the page by changing the text, images, and colors as needed. Use the drag and drop feature to rearrange elements on the page. To add new elements, click on the plus button where you want them to appear. Select from options such as text sections, images, buttons, and forms. Once the page is set up, remember to save your changes frequently. After finishing the first page, click on the Save button at the top right. Next, navigate to the next page in your funnel by using the Page Navigator on the left. Repeat the editing process for each subsequent page. Ensure that each page aligns with your overall funnel strategy. When all pages are complete, preview each one by clicking on the Preview button. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. After you're satisfied, navigate back to the funnel overview. To set up follow-up emails, go to the Automations tab of your funnel. Click on Add New Action to create an email sequence. Configure the emails by specifying the content and timing. Save your automation settings after finishing your email sequence. Next, test the entire funnel by using the test feature. This will help identify any issues before launching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.